Welcome to another massive mining operation, where the raw power of heavy machinery meets the challenges of the earth. Today, we bring you the Caterpillar 375 Excavator, a legendary machine in the mining industry, as it loads tons of blasted rock with unmatched precision and force. Operated by Sotiriadis Labrianidis, this project highlights both the scale and the expertise required in modern open-pit mining. The Caterpillar 375. Excavator is a heavy-duty machine designed to tackle the toughest conditions in large-scale mining projects. Weighing over 80 tons, it combines sheer strength with advanced hydraulics, allowing it to efficiently load massive quantities of blasted material into waiting dump trucks. In this operation, you can see the excavator working tirelessly to move blasted rock, the result of controlled explosions that fracture the hard ground into manageable pieces. This process is essential for extracting valuable minerals and ensuring productivity in mining operations. The operator's skill plays a crucial role here. Every bucket load must be calculated, ensuring trucks are filled quickly while maintaining balance and safety. With each pass, the Caterpillar 375 demonstrates its durability, reliability, and performance, proving why it has been a trusted choice in the mining world for years. This kind of work site showcases the coordination between drilling, blasting, excavating, and hauling. It's a seamless chain that transforms solid rock into material ready for further processing. Without machines like the 375 excavator, large-scale mining operations would be nearly impossible. That was a closer look at the massive mining operation featuring the Caterpillar 375 excavator loading blasted rock, operated by Sotiriadis Labrianidis. From the power of controlled blasting to the precision of heavy machinery, every stage highlights the incredible effort behind resource extraction. Stay tuned for more exciting footage of heavy equipment in action. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational, professional, and powerful mining stories.